Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to delete your Imo account. Let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is that you simply need to click on your profile. Once you're there, you click on what setting. After which, you click on account and security. After that, you are going to see delete Imo account. Click on that. After that, you simply click on what apply to delete. So guys, after that you simply need to give the reason why you want to delete your account. So in my own case, I will just say I want to change my number. Yes. After that, I'll click on what continue. Once you're there, you simply need to insert your telephone number. So after inserting your telephone number, you simply click on what continue. After that, make sure you read this out. That's this important notice. So you make sure you read it out. Once you read it out, you simply need to click on what. Once you read it out, you simply need to click on what agree and delete. So guys, we are just deleting our Imo account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all.